The TikTok creativity program is like a treasure chest, and guess what? TikTok pays big money for your videos. Creators are ranking in thousands of dollars every month. Making videos for TikTok is super easy now thanks to AI. It helps us to create unique and awesome content in just a few minutes. Unlike YouTube, even if your content isn't reused, you can still make good amount of money. But here's the catch: not every country can join the TikTok creativity program. If you're not from the USA, United Kingdom, Brazil, France, Germany, Japan, or Korea, you're out of luck. Don't worry though, there are tricks to get a USA TikTok account, and you can find tutorials on YouTube. Now let's talk about the kind of content that can make you money on the TikTok creativity program. First up, your videos must be 100% unique. No using other people's stuff. Also, they need to be longer than 1 minute. Videos under 1 minute won't make you a single penny. Just like YouTube, TikTok pays different amounts based on your niche, and this is called RPM. Is how much advertisers are willing to pay for 1,000 views. To make money on TikTok, create videos longer than 1 minute and in a niche that attracts an international audience. To join the creativity program, you need to be at least 18 years old and have 10,000 followers, similar to YouTube's 1,000 subscribers threshold, and get 100,000 views within 30 days. It's a bit tough, but if you post at least 3 times a day, reach that goal very easily. After that, choose an evergreen niche, one that stays popular for a long time. Also pick a niche that's easy to create content for, otherwise trust me, you will start to go crazy. Now let me give you 5 great niche ideas for TikTok creativity program. Number 1 on our list is motivational niche. Easy to create content, and I'll show you how to do it with AI in a future video. There are a lot of subjects to create motivational videos as well. Number 2 on our list is movies and anime niche. Talk about upcoming movies or interesting things in the anime world. Don't just post anime clips that might not be monetizable. Number 3 on our list, educational niche. So many sub niches, and you can easily create content using AI. No need to show your face or record your voice. Number 4 on our list is storytelling niche. Use AI to create horror stories, mysteries, or historical facts, then easily edit it with AI or yourself. Number 5 on our list, and the final one, is news TikTok channel. People love watching news on TikTok. Make it a fantastic video. These types of videos doesn't have an age limit in audience, meaning anyone can watch these videos. I'll make tutorials on every 5 of them on how to create content for these niches in later videos. I hope you learned something new from this video. If it helped, consider clicking that like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.